In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve Windows 11 or 10 detecting SSD as HDD in disk defragmenter. So to resolve this problem, search CMD and as administrator. Will ask permission, so click on yes. Now type this command bin set space formal. Now guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so complete this scanning and exit and restart your system. I have error. In my case, it's not work, but you can try to resolve this problem. And once this scanning will process will complete, exit and restart your system. Still you are facing problems, so after restart you can try this second method. Run as administrator command prompt. Now this time type this second command winset space disk formal, then press enter and complete this scanning. Now once you done, exit and restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can try to fix this error. Thanks for watching and comment any method work for you or not.